How to make grilled Blackstone chicken thighs. The ideal weeknight supper is grilled Blackstone chicken thighs with marinade. These flavorful chicken thighs cook quickly on the griddle and are easy to prepare. In this dish, chicken breast can be used in place of the chicken thighs, legs and breasts. Blackstone griddle chicken recipes have become a go-to whenever we want to cook outside. Try this recipe for Blackstone chicken thighs. A traditional recipe, these Blackstone chicken thighs are seasoned with basic ingredients. This meal is excellent and simple to prepare. Cooking chicken thighs on a griddle is a simple method to prepare them. With a great texture and juicy interior, they cook quickly on the griddle. These chicken thighs are ideal for weeknight meals or serving guests. Now, let's talk about ingredients. First, you need some chicken thighs or breasts that are skinless and without bones. Also, some lemon juice, honey, paprika and garlic powder and olive oil is needed. Salt and pepper is needed. Step 1. In a small pan, whisk the marinade ingredients together. Step 2. Add the chicken thighs and let the mixture sit for at least 60 minutes or more. Cook chicken thighs using a Blackstone griddle as follows. I like to marinate our chicken thighs or breasts at least for 60 minutes. If possible, marinate the chicken for a few more hours. Place your thighs in a plastic bag or leave in a bowl. Step 3. Turn the Blackstone grill's heat to medium-high, approximately 400 degrees. Step 4. Use a spatula to apply a thin layer of oil to the Blackstone grill. To ensure that the chicken thighs, legs or breasts do not adhere to the griddle, use a high-temperature oil. Remember that set the cooking time. Blackstone should be preheated to medium-high heat before adding the chicken thighs. Place the chicken on the grill in Step 5. Cook the chicken until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes on each side with the cover securely on. Be cautious to secure the lid while the chicken thighs or legs are cooking on the griddle. This helps preserve the flavor of the chicken as it cooks. The size of the chicken will affect the cook times. To guarantee that the chicken is cooked to the proper temperature, use a meat thermometer. A meat thermometer can ensure that your chicken is not overcooked. To prevent your chicken from burning, we advise staying close to the griddle. Step 6. Take the chicken from the grill. Give the chicken 5 minutes to rest. Step 7. At this point, you can serve and eat the dish. Modify the seasoning. For this recipe, I used garlic powder, but you can use any seasoning you like. Salt garlic if you like is an option. Easy and fast to cook, by Afsan Farm Kitchen's recipes. Thank you for watching.